Hello everyone. I've gone totally casual today. We're still wearing the delights here in Brisbane, even though there are cases going on. So, no control going on whatsoever, and I don't mind. Life is good, life is good, life is good. I had a 3-hour session with my kinesiologist, Gabrielle, this morning, and I felt my ego being totally challenged by all sorts of things. And I've just decided that I need to do a balance on myself, because if you've been listening to people like Laurie Ladd, people around the globe are talking about the third dimension, the fourth dimension, the fifth dimension, sixth dimension, and going on. The third dimension is when we're just living. We're in the matrix. We're just paying our bills and going to work and having drinks and having sex and living our lives and not thinking too much and just believing everything we're being told. So it's actually quite a nice place to be. I'd love to go back there again, back to the matrix. And maybe that's the plan, to go back to the matrix. Fourth dimension is when you're aware of the narrative, but you're being pulled into the narrative. So it's very much about that awareness, but rather than transcending it, we're in it. And when we're paying attention to all of the data, all of the stats, all of the research, all of the medicine, all of the media, it's way too much information, and it's way heavier than what we can actually deal with. So it weighs us down energetically, spiritually, physically. And then the fifth dimension is when we are rising above the narrative and we're staying in love. We're staying in light. We're staying in our beliefs and our own guidance about what we believe. We believe we are creators. We believe we are energetic human beings. So, continuing on. So I figured I would do a balance around ego and getting from that fourth stage dimension, the fourth dimension, up into the fifth dimension. And the fifth dimension, it's all about love. It's all about staying in love. It's all about acceptance. And Gabrielle made the interesting comment that yes, she puts on the muzzle, yes, she goes out into the street and she just doesn't play the game. The second, she chooses to believe in a higher power. And I do. I choose to believe in a higher power. And I choose to believe that we create our own consciousness. And the thing I've always loved about kinesiology is that if I say an affirmation, just say I say an affirmation of, I choose my own existence, I choose my own consciousness. That's probably a good one for this. I choose my own existence, I choose my own consciousness. Then everything that shows up within the balance is an imbalance in the body to what you're actually trying to get to. So when people are saying their affirmations on a daily basis and they do it every day and they just don't feel like they're getting anywhere, it's these blocks that are in the nervous systems, that are in the body, that are in the chakras, that are in the meridians, that are holding us back. I choose my own consciousness, I choose my own existence, I choose my own consciousness. Okay, I like it. Let's see if I can remember that for 12 seconds. Okay, let's get into it.